Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add borders to to Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you would be needing to do is to edit your margins, and that would be able to be done on all your Microsoft product that use margins or borders. And basically here, I'm just going to home and I'm just going to create a blank document. So from here, let's just have anything. So some text. And basically now we will be able to go to the home menu. So we will find this home menu and let's just always show ribbon so it does not collapse. And basically we will be needing now to go to the layout page. By going to the layout page, you will find this icon here so you can expand the layout page. So basically on the paper or the layout, here you can control the margins. So as you can see here, we have like margins to be here, but this is like too much. And basically I'm just doing that so I can make it more visible. And now you can apply to whole documents, etc. Now we want to go to layout and basically here we find borders. So by going to the borders, you will be able to choose which borders you want to align or to color, or you can simply go box and those are the styles of the borders. So I'm just going to stick like that. I will make them orange and the width I want to be like that. And you can add some art if you'd like, but it's not really necessary. So here I'm just going to click on OK. As you can see, now my borders have been like added and created for my documents. And it really depends on the margins. So if I just choose normal ones, as you can see, you can also select your text and you can apply the margins on. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.